Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I'm your host, your host, and as always in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain. With as promised, with the actual question asked on the first slot, 9 a.m. on 12 September 2021 at TCS Ninja NQT examination. As we know, it was section 1 and 26 questions were asked from it, and the bifurcation of the question were exactly same as we have discussed in other sessions also, and it were like mensuration 2 questions, simple interest, compound interest 2 question, time and work 2 question, time, speed, distance 2 question, algebra from simplification, surds and indices 3 questions, statistics 4, DI 3, number system 1, Venn diagrams or set theory if you want to call it 1 question, and the remaining 7 questions from percentage, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, which counts to make it 26 questions. So in this particular session I have selected few questions out of those 26, and we have seen different questions on different screen pan India. And yes, questions were not difficult, but yes, the timer at the overhead was actually the thing which was making it difficult. Whether you have selected a remote place to write your text or the in center, in both the cases the timer was there and the per question timer was attached to it, which was running sometimes for 1 minute and sometimes for running for 90 seconds depending upon the difficulty level of the questions. So on this note, let's see what were few of them and let's try to solve it. This one is from number system. Which of the following statement is true? A 27840 is divisible by 12. Let's check this. 27840 is divisible by 12. Yes. And 7329753 is divisible by 9. Yes. That is also divisible by 9. That means both the statement A and B are correct. That means both are true. You can use the divisibility rule also to check. It is divisible by 4 and the total is divisible by 3. Here the total 9 gone, 7 2, 9 gone, 7 3, 10, 1 and 8, 9. It is divisible by 9. We can use any method. By which of the following is the given number 19541742 is divisible? Okay, so we have 19541742 divided by 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. And then it is divided by 9. It is not divisible by 9. Then we have 19541742 divided by 12. It is also not divisible by 12. It is only divisible by 11. Only one fits in. Okay, this one is from Search. If a plus b root 10 is this, then what is the value of a plus b? We need to solve this. Root over 3 plus root 5. Root 5 can be written as 2 into root 5 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Bingo. 5 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 3. That means root over 3 plus root 5 is root 5 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. And minus sign is root 5 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So if I add these two, I'll get twice root 5 by root 2, that is root 10. So this lot is equals to root 10. Now, coming back to this, if I multiply numerator and denominator by root over this again, then I'll get under root a plus b into a minus b, that would be a square minus b square. 10 minus 1 would be 9, that would be root 9, that is 3, and 3 by root over 10 minus 1. Now again, if I multiply this by root 10 plus 1, this will become a square minus b square, that is 9. Then it would be root 10 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus root 10, which can be written as 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 root 10. If I compare this with a plus b root 10, we get a equals to 1 by 3 and b equals to 4 by 3. Therefore, a plus b is 5 by 3, and that is in option B. I said a simplification question will be always there, and it was also there. So this is into and division. Let me solve this first. 7 by 4 into 8 by 3 of 6 by 7 divided by 4 by 5. So of is first, and into after the of, division should be there. So it should be 7 by 4 into 48 by 21 into, let me make it 5 by 4. So 4 times, okay, 7 3 times, and 16 into 3 is 48 gone. That means this part value is equals to 5. Now we are looking out for this part value. But here is the division sign. So this would be 10 by 3 into 1 by 5. That gives 2 by 3. So till here we have got 2 by 3. Now this one is 3 by 4 would be 15 by 4 into 36 by 7 divided by 9 by 7. So first it would be 9 by 7, 9 by 7. And when divided by 9 by 7, it will gone, it will be 15 itself. So the remaining part is 15 into 2/3. That is 5 into 2, that is 10. Answer to this would be 10, that is in option B. Okay, a 9-digit number is there and it is divisible by 99. That is 9 and 11 both. Then what is the value of root over x plus y plus z? So if we add up all the digits, because we need to make it like divisible by 9, then it is 8 plus 7, 15, and 15, 30, 38. That means it is 38 plus x plus y plus z. So if I make it 45, then I'll get x plus y plus z as 7, but no answer matches with root 7. So let me make 7 plus 9 is 16. That is 54. So we get x plus y plus z as 54 minus 38, that is 16, and it is matching. So answer must be this. So, but let us also check for 11 whether it is fitting or not. 8, 0, 7, x, 6, y, 9, z, 8. So 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 is 38, and this is x plus y plus z. So if we have taken x plus y plus z as 16, so 38 minus 16 is 22, and yes, then it is divisible by 11 also. That means the entire number is divisible by 99 if x plus y plus z is 16. Therefore root 16 equals 4, and yes, our answer is 4. Okay, a question from indices. If this happens, find the value of 3x minus 5. So 27 is 3 cube. So we have 3 to the power 3 into x plus 2 equals 81 is 3 to the power 4 into 2x minus 6. That means 3x plus 6 equals 8x minus 24. So 30 is equals to 5x, x is equals to 6. Then what is the value of 3x minus 5? 3 into 6 is 18, minus 5 is 13. Option D fits in. Okay, another one, this I can see is from algebraic identities. The first expressions look like a square minus ab plus b square, and it is divided by a cube plus b cube. So it would be simply 1 upon a plus b. A is 0.04, 0.06 will give 0.1. So it would be 1 upon 0.1, that is equals to 10. So part 1 value is 10. Part 2 value 7.5 whole cube. We can use calculator. 7.5 whole cube, 7.5 into 7.5 into 7.5 is 421.875 plus 4.5 whole cube, 4.5 plus, sorry, should go like 4.5 into 4.5 into 4.5 plus 421.875, that gives 513. 513 divided by 7.5 whole square minus 4.5 whole square. 7.5, 7 into 8 is 56.25 minus 20.25, that is 36. 513 divided by 36 is 14.25. The second part value is 14.25 plus 10. 24.25 should be the value of the entire expression. 24.25 there. So the entire expression is 24.25. That was in our option C. A question from set theory or Venn diagram, whatever. In an examination, 62% candidate passed in physics and 60% passed in mathematics. 37% candidate passed in both. This is 37. That means only mathematics is 60 minus 37, 23. 62 minus 37 is 25. So total number of students passed in either of the subject is 62 plus 23, that is 85. So what percent of the candidate failed on both the subjects? Failed would be 100 minus 85, that is 15%. Option C fits in. Another one from algebraic identity. What is the value of a plus b whole square? A plus b plus c whole square and a cube plus b cube plus c cube if this is there. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab into bc into plus ca. So that would be 138 plus 262 and that should be equals to 400. That means a plus b plus c is equals to 20. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, we know that it is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this is 7 into 20, that is 140, and abc is 280 given. So 3 into 280 is 840. Therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 140 plus 840, that is 980. The ratio we are looking out for is 400 by 980, that is 20 by 49. But on the first instance also, when a plus b plus c whole square is 400, we can also check that only this will never feature. 400 is not divisible by 18, neither by 15. Answer is 20 is to 49. Okay, a very interesting question from ratio. Ratio of 25% of x, that is x by 4, is to 65% of y, that is 13y by 20, is to 75% of z, that is 3z by 4, equals 5 is to 26 is to 15. Very good. So if I put in the k terms, x by 4 is equals to 5 or x into k. So x will be equals to 520k. Then 13y by 20 is equals to 26k. That means y equals to 40k. And then z equals to 15k into 4 by 3. That is 20k. If 1/16th of the sum is equals to 10. Now for 20 plus 40, 60 and 80. That means 80k by 16, that is 5k is equals to 10. That means k is equals to 2. So value of x is 40, value of y is 80, value of z is 40. What is the value of x? Minus 2y plus 3z. 3z is 120, that is 160 minus 160. 0 is the answer. One more was there on different screen from set theory Venn diagram. Out of 80 students, 45 student passed in mathematics, 45, and 60% student passed in English. English is 60. If 35 student failed in both, so this is 35, that means this total should be equals to 100 minus 35, that is 65. How many students passed in both the subject? So we know the drill, union equals 45 plus 60 minus x, this is 5, then x is equals to 40. That means 40% of the student have passed in both. 40% of 80 is 32. Option C fits in. If 20% apples from a cart are rotten and the remaining apples, let the number of apples are x, are sold at 20% discount on the mark price, obviously, the seller get 92% profit on the cost price of the whole cart. Let the cost price of each apple is y, then the cost price of whole cart is x into y. So you get 1.92 xy as the total selling price. Now only 80% of the apples are sold, that is x by 10 x apples. And at what rate they are sold? They are sold at 20% discount. So let it be marked price 80%. Okay. And this m is equals to y into 1 plus something upgradement. So let us find the relationship first, 0.8, 0.8. So y by m, or let me find myy. Myy is 1.92 into 10 into 10 by 8 into 8. So how much it would be? 1.92 into 100 divided by 64, that is equals to 3. So marked price is 3 times the cost price of the per apple. So how much, by what percent above the cost price has the seller marked up the apples? The marked up price should be 200% if it is thrice. So above is 2y, so marked up is 3y, so y is cost price, then 2y is above, 200% above. If the price of petrol increases by 35% and Rajesh intend to spend only an additional 20% on the petrol, by how much percentage he will reduce the quantity of the petrol purchase? So we can use our rule 1. Yes, rule 3, sorry, net change. Net change on the revenue or the expenditure is 20. So 20 equals 35 minus the fall in the quantity minus 35 q by 100. So minus 135 q by 100 equals 15. Q equals 1500 by 135, that is 100 by 9 is 11.11%, approximately it would be 11%. Okay, an article is marked 36% above its cost price, that means 136 by 100 C. A discount of 10% is offered on the mark price into 90% recovery. This is the selling price now. Later on, article was sold by giving another discount of 12.60, and if there is profit of 15.4%. First of all, let us calculate how much is this. 136 into 90. So 1.36 into 0.9 recovery is actually 1.224. So the selling price is actually 22.4% above the cost price and the profit is 15.4%. So minus 1 minus 0.5154, that is 7%. So this amount of discount is nothing but 7% of the cost price. So 7% of the cost price is 12.60. Then how much is the cost price? So 12.60 divided by 7%, cost price is 180 rupees. Now what is the question? The marked price of the article. Marked price of the article is above 36%. 180 into 1.36 will give 244.80. That is in option C. An article is sold at a certain price. SP is there. If it is sold at 72% of the selling price, that means 0.72 selling price, there is loss of 20%. This will be equals to 0.80 of cost price only. So 8, 10, 8, 9. That means cost price by selling price is 9 by 10. So if cost price is 9 rupees, selling price is 10 rupee. What is the profit percentage when it is sold at the actual selling price? So if it is sold at actual selling price, profit would be 1 rupee and then profit percentage would be 1 by 9. Now 1 by 9 into 100 is 11, 1 by 9% that we have in option B. Okay, again we have an algebraic expression and a value to be calculated of let me do the last one. 24 divided by 15 into 8 into minus 20 is minus 7.2 into minus 25. This portion will give us plus 180. So this will be plus 180. Great. Now it is 24 plus. The second portion is 8 of 20, 160. Then it is divided by 15 plus 3 into 15 is 205. 205 plus 24 plus 180 gives 409. And yes, that we have in the answer. Money deposited some money in a bank and got an interest of 560 and 600 in the third and fourth year. That means difference of interest is 40 rupees. Now 40 rupees is what? Nothing but interest on 560. What is the interest rate? Interest rate would be 40 by 560 into 100. 4 divide 56. 7.14%. 7.14% is the interest rate that is in option A. Ankush bought X plus 2 apples at the rate of 12 each. Very good. One apple got rotten during transportation. So total cost was X plus 2 into 12. And he sold all the remaining apples. That means remaining apples are X plus 1 apples for rupees 300. So 300 is the selling price. If the profit percentage made by Ankush in the whole transaction is 25%, so this into 125 by 100 is equals to 300 straight away. So this is 5 by 4, 560. So X plus 2 into 12 is 240. This goes 20. That means the total apple purchased by Ankush is 20. Find the number of apples sold by Ankush. Sold by Ankush is 20 minus 1. That is 19 apples he has sold, and that we have in option C. Rahul takes a sum of 2310 as loan. He has to repay this in 2 equal installments. And the rate of interest is 20% compounded annually. Then we know in case of this installment amount is A divided by 1.2. Plus for the next year it would be 1.2 whole square. So we need to find the value of A first. What percent of the principal amount taken by Rahul is the total interest paid by him? We need to know the value of A first. So this would be 1.2 whole square. 1.2 plus 1, that is 2.2A. Therefore A equals 2310 into 1.44 divided by 1 plus 2.2. Let's calculate the value of A first. 2310 into 1.44 divided by 2.2. 2310 into 1.44 divided by 2.2. 1512 into 2. 3024 is the total money refunded by him. Minus 2310. This is the interest paid by him, 714. divided by 2310 into 100. 30.9%. 30.9% is the interest, is the percentage. 30.9% of the principal amount is what the total interest is paid by him. One more from compound interest. A sum of rupees X amounts to 4791.60 at 12% per annum in 2.5 years. Interest compounded 10 monthly. Now 2.5 years means 24 plus 6, that is 30 months. 30 divided by 10 is 3. That means interest is being paid 3 times. And 12% per annum it is. That means for 10 months it would be 10%. So it would be 1.1. So principal we are looking out for is simply 4791.60 divided by 1.1 whole cube is 1.331. So it is 4791.6 divided by 1.331, that is 3600. So principal taken by him is 3600. What is the value of X? X is 3600, option D. ABC enter into a partnership with investment of 40,000, B investment of X, and C investment of 1 lakh. At the end of 1 year, Barun withdraw 10,000. Okay, so now his capital X minus 10,000. And Aman added 40,000, added more 40,000. The ratio of the profit after 2 years. After 2 years, that means the ratio should be, so now the ratio would be A, this is for 12 months, 24 months, and this we can, the ratio for B would be 12x plus 12 into x minus 10,000, and for C would be 1 lakh into 24. Now this ratio is given as 3:10, 12, 12, 12, 2. So it would be 2x minus 10,000 divided by 2 lakh equals 3 by 10. 3 into 20,000, 60,000 plus 10,000, 70,000. 2x is 70,000. Therefore, x is 35,000. What is the question? Find the initial amount invested by Barun. That is x. X is 35,000 in option B. The sum of the present ages of Ajay and his wife Sushma is 82 years. Sushma's present age is 28 years more than Shashank. Sushma is 28 plus more than Shashank, her son. If Shashank's present age is 12 years, that means Sushma's present age is 40, and then Ajay's present age is 42. What will be the sum of Shashank and his father? Shashank and his father after 4 years. Shashank would be 16 after 4 years, and his father would be 46 after 4 years. So it is 262. Option D fits in. A shopkeeper sold some chairs for 3240 and make a profit of 20%. So 3240 divided by 1.2. Cost price is 2700. What was the profit percentage if he had sold chair for 2781? Obviously only 81 rupees profit. 81 divided by 27 is the answer, 3%. Option B. Two numbers are in ratio 3:5, 3x, 5x. If 3 is added to the first number and 9 is added to the second number, the ratio becomes 4:7. So 21x plus 21 equals 20x plus 36. X equals to 15. The sum of the two original number, that is 8x. So 8x is 8 into 15, that is 120. That is in option C. Find the difference between arithmetic mean and the median of the first 7 consecutive natural number. If you have watched our sessions on statistics, you must be knowing that in case of any consecutive natural number, arithmetic mean and median always are same. That means the difference between them should be 0. Option D fits in. I'll come up again with another slots few questions, and once this whole TCS drive is over, we'll again solve this in a better way, better manner, topic wise, and stay connected with us and do well if your exams are coming in the next few days. I'm Mohijan signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats, and I'll see you soon. Yes, very soon.